Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Fazina Aziz and welcome to TudungPeople's channel. So today I'm wearing Zayra in the color of Lapis, you know, like kuih lapis, kind of lapis. So the difference between Zayra and all of the shawl is the fact that it comes with curved edge, like this one. So you can create this curve kat depan and curve dekat belakang kind of look. And the best part is that it comes with a matching Swarovski. So this is Swarovski in the color of like rose gold. Yeah, I think it's rose gold. So stay tuned to see how I wear this style. Really simple. Start off dekat 1/3 of the shawl macam ni. So take the long part, ini kat dalam macam ni, bawa masuk belakang. So for this part, ambil je and letak kat bahagian depan. Kemaskan. So the best part of having Zayra is the fact that dia ada curved edge. So you can see it here. It ends in curve and then dekat belakang pun sama. So you can just pin it over here. And then if you want to have the curve a bit smaller, you can just angkat lagi. Angkat both sides. And you're good to go. If you want to know more about Zayra or you want to see all the available colors, you can just click on the link down below. Thank you for watching.